Hey there, runners, hikers, and van lifers. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to break down how to start hiking step by step. We're going to use a waterfall hike for this. Why? Because let's be real, most people start hiking to see waterfalls. And today's waterfall is Beech Bottom Falls. This is an out and back hike, which means you're going to hike into the end, turn around, and then come back the way you came. If you're not sure about trail types, I've got another video explaining the 3 types of trails you'll find on AllTrails. I'll link to it up here. But for now, here's what you need to know. This hike is 1.7 miles round trip. It's listed as moderate difficulty. Now, when you're just getting started, always assume that the trail is going to be harder than what's listed. What makes this one moderate? You're going to have some uphill sections, a few roots and rocks, and a bit of uneven terrain. All right, let's set the scene. Let's say your lady says, "Babe, I'd love to go hiking one day," but you're perfectly happy crushing Call of Duty and destroying a bag of jalapeno cheesy puffs. Hiking? You don't even have a clue where to start. Well, my friend, that's about to change. Step 1, find the trail. First things first, you're going to pull out your phone. Then you're going to download the AllTrails app. Go ahead and create a free account. And when it asks about location, you're just going to hit only while using the app. Then open the app and it'll suggest some trails that are near your location. But remember, this hike is about impressing your girl. And she loves waterfalls. So type into the search bar, Beech Bottom Falls. And that's spelled with 2 E's. Then, boom, you've got all the info you're going to need. You have the trail details, difficulty, and directions to the trailhead. But wait, there's one more thing. If you've ever seen my other videos, you know I always recommend upgrading to AllTrails Plus so that you can download the map to your phone for offline use. That way, when you're deep out here in the woods with a 0 cell signal, you're not going to be out here lost looking like a dummy. So what you're going to do is you're going to click over to your account, slap down the $35.99 for a yearly membership, and may I remind you, that's only like $3 a month. And now you're all set. Now you can hit the save button on the trail and then hit the download button so that you can access the map while you're out here on the trail. Then step 2, pack the basics. Before you hit the trail, you're going to grab a small backpack. You're going to toss in 1, a couple of water bottles. Then 2, a couple of snack bars. That's enough for a short hike like this. But if you want to know all the essentials for longer hikes, I've got another video covering all the 14 things that you should always pack with you. I'll link to it up here. Now for step 3, you're going to hit the trail. Now, you're up there at the trailhead. It's time now to get moving. You're going to put your keys into a zippered pocket. Zippered pocket, very key, in your backpack or in your waist belt. Bonus points if your pack has a little red hook for your keys to go on. Pull out your phone, open AllTrails, switch to airplane mode. That way your battery is going to last way longer. Now you're going to find the trail map and you're going to hit navigate. You're going to see a blue dot showing you exactly where your location is as you hike. That dot moves along the trail, and at any point you can check how far you've gone, how far you have left, and the elevation changes. And the best part is, even with your phone off, the app still tracks your location. Now, you're just gonna keep walking. A few switchbacks, a little uphill climb, and then that waterfall comes into view. You hear it before you even see it. The rush of water and the cool mist in the air. And just like that, you get it. This is why people hike. And guess what? You've now got 1 trail under your belt. And I promise you, this will be the last one. In fact, you're probably already wondering, what's the next one? That's why you need to check this video out right here. It's going to show you how to tell how hard a trail is before you even leave the house. Go ahead and click it. and I'll see you in that one.